This training video will instruct you on the installation of a 500 series door closer, where the closer is mounted on the pull side of a left-hand door with an opening angle of less than 120 degrees. Using a ruler, mark vertical lines at 5.5 inches and 14 9/16 inches from the hinge edge of the door. Mark the position 1 inch down and 1 3/4 inch down from the top of the door for each of the vertical lines made in the previous step. On the door frame, mark positions at 12 inches and 13 3/4 inches from the door edge. Mark the positions 1 1/8 inch up from the edge of the door frame for each of the marks made in the previous step. Using a 7/32 inch or number 7 drill bit, drill a hole at each of the marked positions. Using a 1/4-20 tap, tap each of the newly created holes. Orient the closer so that the speed valves are facing toward the hinge. Mount the closer onto the door using the supplied 1/4-20 Phillips screws. Attach the forearm shoe to the door frame using the supplied 1/4-20 Phillips screws. Place the main arm on the shaft at the top of the closer and align the 1 on the arm with the index mark. Tighten the arm screw with the lock washer securely. Move the forearm into position so that the arms align at the joint. Adjust the forearm length until the forearm is perpendicular to the door frame. Connect the arms at the joint. Swing the door to its full open position and allow it to freely close. There are 2 phases to the operation of the closer. First, the swing phase. Second is the latch phase. Use the set screw valves on the hinge side of the closer to adjust the appropriate section of the closing action. Valve 1 will adjust the swing phase of the door's movement. Turn the valve to the right to slow the door. Turn the valve to the left to increase the closing speed. Valve 2 will adjust the latch phase of the door's movement. Turn the valve to the right to slow the door. Turn the valve to the left to increase the latch speed. Normal door closure speeds are from 4 to 6 seconds from 90 degrees.